Good morning, students. Uh, we are starting with the sixth semester now, project management and evaluation. Hope all students are good. Please don't go outside unnecessarily. Stay home and stay safe. Project management and evaluation. Course code 15 CE 62T and the total contract hours are 52. First we'll go through with an introduction to project management, in which we can see the project management, professional construction management, significance, objectives and function of the construction management. We'll see this much today. Okay. First, we'll know about what is the construction project management or project management. The term construction project refers to high value time bound, in sense the management between the time and the stipulated time, special construction mission with the predetermined performance objects, in sense the stipulated time which is allotted for the any work should be completed in that specified time. Classifications of construction projects are proper completion of time basis and project value basis. In project completion time basis, long duration project over 10 years, medium duration projects 3 to 10 years, short duration project few months to 3 years, and special short term projects less than 1 year. In project value basis, mega value projects say over 5,000 10,000 million, and large value projects 10,000 million to 100 million. Medium value projects 10 million to 100 million, and small value projects less than 10 million. The project managements are, we can see here, construction of houses, commission of factory, construction of ships, fabrication of stream border, construction of a bridge, construction of dams, power plant, shutdown maintenance of major equipment plants, state level professional course admission process, new product launching a new weapon system, conducting national elections, research to develop a new technology, construction of railway coaches. These are the main project management which we can study in it. Here is the element of project management. We can see the center circle: project management, planning, executing and controlling. These are the main executives of planning, executing and controlling. From project goals, we are having human resources, we can interlink with technical resources, and from the project management we can have a complete facility, we can from funds, time. These are the elements of the project management. Here is the cycle of planning, executing and controlling. From planning we can execute, and from through that execution we can control, and there is the cycle of these activities. Importance of construction management. Proper management practices invariable lead to maximum production at least cost. Good construction management result in completing to the construction project with a stipulated budget and the stipulated time. The main process of the construction management is that should be in stipulated time. Construction management provides importance for optimum utilization of resource in order. It results in the completion of a construction project with a judicious use of available resources. Construction management provides necessary leadership, motivates employee to complete the difficult tasks well in time, and extracts potential talents of its employments. There are the certain having the construction importance, we can see the necessities of the construction management to check the wastage of materials and the labor, to arrange the completion of work in the minimum possible time, to affect the economy in the cost of construction by adopting a new technique constructions and supervising, etc., to improve the quality and speed of work by using modern equipments and machineries of the construction, using modern techniques of management to have a proper condition between different agencies and the categories of persons engaged to the work. In short, the aim of the management is to affect the utmost economic in the cost and time of construction of the project. Necessity says that the work should be done in the stipulated time and the stipulated budget. The wastage of a material and the wastage of the labors are being checked thoroughly. Improvement of the quality and material says that like the slabs we are using nowadays, RMCs, the fast of construction, and the manual work less required. And we can see the modern equipments like vibrators, etc. Objects of the construction management. Objectives of a construction management are: the work should be properly planned and organized. Work should be properly planned before the execution and then organized. The work should be executed as per the specifications. The work should be completed within the specified time and the estimated cost. The work should be properly supervised by the qualified and the trained staff. Should be supervised by the engineers or the you can say skilled laborers. The workmanship and the quality of the work should be good. The work should be executed economically. Functions of the construction management. We can see, first we should have a good plan, then we should schedule, organize, staffing, directing, and controlling and coordinating. Planning. First, what is the planning? Planning in sense, what should be done in the process and what should not be done in the process we should do before it. That says that what to do and how to do. Planning. Planning helps to minimize the cost of optimum utilization of available resource. Planning reduces the irrational approaches, duplicate of workers, and the interdepartment coefficient. Planning encourages innovation and creativity among the construction managers. Planning imparts the competitive strength of the enterprises. Next, scheduling. Scheduling in sense, the work plan which is done, when to do. It deals with the aspect of when to do. Organization. Organization is a concern with the decision of the total construction work into the measurable department section and this symmetrically managing various operations by specific tasks to individuals. Staffing is applying allotment of the work for the departments. Like staffing is provision of right people to each section department and successfully completion of the construction project. Directing. It is concerned to the trainings of the tracks. Task is supervising their works and guiding the effort. It also involves the motivating staff to achieve the desire. These are the functions of the planning, scheduling, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, and coordinating. What we have studied today: what is project management, what are the importance of the project management, what are the necessities of the project management, objectives of the project management, and the functions of the project management. Also the flow chart of the project management and the cycle of the project management. In next class we will discuss further topics. I'll send the PDF of these notes. Okay, thank you.